So the supply curve is basically the producer's curve, because producer is supplying the good. So the way we're going to define it is very similar to the demand curve. Supply is the willingness and ability of a producer to produce a good or service at various price levels in a given period of time. So at various price levels, how much quantity is he willing and able to supply in the market? Ceteris paribus. We'll place ceteris paribus here, assuming all other factors held constant. Like what? Like the technology is not changing, because technology can have an effect on his production speed and capacity. The raw material prices are not changing. Number of producers in the market is not changing. Everything is held constant. And given that situation, when the price goes up, how much can he supply? And if the price goes down, how much can he supply? So based on this idea, we have a supply schedule of a producer. And it shows a relationship between the price of the good and quantity not supplied, sorry, not demanded, changed it, supplied. It shows a relationship between the price of the good and the quantity supplied. Below is the supply schedule given of a producer who produces magnums per week, and I'll construct its supply curve. So I'll just place this line so that I'll start with 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, and these are my numbers. And I'll just plot at 60 you're willing and able to supply 0. At 140 it's about 4. This is how the supply curve looks like. S is for supply curve and 0 is for my original point. Okay, this is an individual firm's supply curve. Now remember, when the price goes up, the producer makes more money and his willingness increases because he can acquire more resources and can do more production basically. That's why a rising price encourages